Hello everyone. Today is the first day of my wife and I launching our YouTube channel called Fazda Homes. This channel documents how we repurpose our 5-bedroom bungalow into additional dwelling units. You'll find this channel useful if you are living abroad and have an older property in your home country and it's about time for you to do some major renovations, or you are struggling to get a reliable caretaker for the property, or you want to generate some residual income by renting out parts of the house. This is our house in Ghana. This architectural design was very popular in the 1990s and the early 2000s. It was completed in 2006. It has 5 bedrooms, 4 complete baths, 2 living rooms, a kitchen, a store, and a garage. The main house has a pitch roof, whilst the porch has a parapet roof. We have not had any issues of water leak with the main house. Although the roofing was not very steep, we have had absolutely zero leak from the main house. But this cannot be said for the porch, where right from the beginning of the construction we saw problems of water leak. So we have treated it 4 or 5 times, but it seems this is a recurrent problem that we have to deal with so long as we maintain this parapet roofing. We will post a special video on the challenges that we have had with parapet roofing and why we think you should avoid it if you don't have a really good contractor who has done this before and has that experience to do it right. To move forward with this project, we contracted an architect to redesign the roofing to get rid of the parapet roofing at the porch. And also because we do not live in this building and it will be too large to rent it out to only one family, we asked him to repurpose it by splitting it into 3 different units so that we can rent them out individually. The left hand side will have a 1-bedroom, 1.5 bath and 1 kitchen. The original garage will be converted to the living room. In the middle part, we will have the original living room split into 2 to serve as living rooms for units 2 and 3, and the small living room in the original plan will now be the kitchen for unit 2. So overall we will have 2.5 baths and 2 bedrooms, living room, kitchen for unit 2. In the case of unit 3, which is on the extreme right, we will have to convert part of the porch into a kitchen and guest washroom. So that will also be a 2-bedroom unit. These are the changes that we want to make in the old bungalow. On the master plan, we also need to fit in the outhouse and the security post on the same plot. Our plot size is 90 by 130 feet, and the building occupies 59 by 53 feet. So we have quite a good amount of land on the left side, on the right side, as well as the back. And at the front, we have almost 90 by 60 feet. So this is where we will want to put the outhouse and the security post, and then plan to have a good landscaping and parking areas for the tenants. The outhouse, starting from the ground floor, will have a single car garage, and it will be followed by a 1-bedroom self-contained unit. And then on the first floor, on the right, will be a guest washroom, followed by the master bedroom, and there will be a washroom for the upstairs living, a kitchen, and also a living area. The stairwell is to the left of the unit. So after this remodeling is done, we expect to have 1 1-bedroom flat and 3 2-bedroom flats. Each of the bedrooms will have their own washroom and each flat will have its own kitchen. So journey with us by kindly subscribing to this channel and also hit the notification button so that whenever we upload any new videos, you will be notified. We would like to give a big shout out to Mr. Kwabena Obendako for his advice on this project. We also thank anyone who has a building project in Ghana that has been posted on YouTube. I must say that we might have watched almost all the videos. I cannot mention any name here. So a big shout out to all the pioneers. Thank you and enjoy as we continue this journey.